What's the meaning of crabgrass? Crabgrass. Crabgrass.
Crabgrass. Crabgrass. Crabgrass is a type of weed that is commonly found in lawns, gardens and other areas with fertile soil. It has thin, spiky blades and grows close to the ground, often forming dense mats that can smother desirable plants. Crabgrass is difficult to control because it spreads quickly, produces many seeds and can tolerate a wide range of conditions. It can also be unsightly, detracting from the appearance of lawns and gardens. Overall, crabgrass is an invasive plant that can cause problems for homeowners and gardeners alike.